yeah, man, today we're actually making progress. Finally got the green light to go ahead and drop my stuff off for the box Chevy. I told y'all we was getting that front filler piece fixed. So, well, we kind of have doing it until I get the car painted. Of course, you know these paint men take forever, so I'm just waiting in line. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get this filler piece wrapped to color match the candy yellow that's on the car. That way we can just ride a couple more, one last ride at least to the cruising the coast before I just break the car down and rebuild it. So we headed right now to pick up this filler piece that I got it. I bought it brand new, then my boy Tutu prepped it so that the wrap would stick, because you know it comes like a little pocket plastic. It's like hard to make the wrap stick on that. You have to prep it like you finna paint it actually. I know I could have just painted it, but nah, I don't got time. We're going to go pick that up, take it to my guy to get it wrapped. Then I gotta drop the box off at my partner's shop, who gonna take the front cap off and put it on for me. So let's ride. All right, y'all, so we picked the piece up. Yep, this is it. Yep, that's how we gotta handle stuff with the vet. This is my daily, so yeah, anyway. We're gonna go back with a gloss yellow with a little bit of metallic in it, kind of look like a candy, to match the car. And we should be good. Yo, what it do next day? Yep, missing the side tooth here. See how ugly that is? Oh, that's terrible. I can't look at it, that's terrible. We're taking it to get it replaced, repainted, or wrapped rather. And we gonna get one more last ride out this box. One last ride out the box, man, before I break it down. About to do a cold start, a real cold start. Got some goodies on the back seat. Got the vet over there chilling for sure. So yeah, this is a copper-rated car. You gotta pack the gas a little bit. OG 305 original, you know. Some of y'all young bucks out there may not know nothing about this. All right, that's the primer. I primed it up. Should be good now. Oh, she getting old on me. Damn, we got gas in it now? It normally don't take this much. Oh wow, she's showing out. Oh yeah, she's showing out. I ain't pumped this car in a long time, y'all. Probably been about 2 or 3 months. Best believe when she cranks up and gets it running though, she's running. Close this door so y'all can hear me. We got a couple things I'm gonna do to it. I gotta get a water pump put on it. It leaks a little water, and I'm gonna get these right here put on. Yes sir, yes sir. That's just some more amps basically. And we're going to get that filler piece replaced. So we can't go down to the coast looking like any old thing. So I'm gonna get the filler piece replaced. Just a little quick fix, get it wrapped, and that's it, man. We're gonna go down cruising the coast 2021, Biloxi, Mississippi, Gulfport, and enjoy ourselves in the box. One last ride. I think I should get the water pump, right? Yeah, let me grab that. I don't need that. Let me grab this part. Weather stripping. Damn Corvette time. Water pump. Okay. Here we are, man, riding in the box, and like, even though this is my car, I've had this car forever, man. It still amazes me how good this car rides, how reliable this car is. Like the AC in this thing is crazy. Oh shit. Literally just cut off on me. What the I'm just complimenting. Oh my, like, what the fuck, man? pressure says 0 because the car cut off. It's got gas in it. Fuck, man. I'll get back with y'all.
A few moments later.
Hey, y'all, so we ran out of gas right quick. Luckily, my car is yellow and everybody knows it, and somebody was right behind me and they pulled over. Got me some gas. Took about 30 minutes out of my day, but we good. So we back rolling, AC back blowing. I skipped another gas station, finna try to make it. I'm gonna keep going. Try to make it to this raceway down here, man. I don't even use raceway gas, but I'm headed there and fuck it. She's back. I knew it wasn't nothing, man. I knew it was something simple. Kinda got scared, I ain't gonna lie. It kinda spooked me at first though. This car never cuts off on me. Only problem I'd ever had is the gas hand not being accurate. So it says 30, but it's really about 15. And it kinda spooked me out, I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes when I'm driving a long time, I forget how much gas I was left in it. Normally when it gets down to 30, I know that it's like almost empty or on E. So I'ma fill it up and fuck it. So we headed to drop the box off at my partner Sean's shop. He gonna replace my 2 amps. I upgraded my amps. The amps I had, I just felt like they were working too hard. Wasn't nothing wrong with them. I'm just making the load a little light on them. Keep that pressure woofing the whole time while we on the coast in Biloxi. Yeah. Scrolling through the jack, man. In the box on 4Gs, 26s. AC blowing.
We're going up.
Alright, baby, I'll call you back. Oh God. And it ain't even complete. Still got some odds and ends. Your car got to be fast to have them on there. I can't put them on my car. That's like a dog with the chain with the spikes. You got a truck though. You know the dog with the chains on the collar with the spikes on it. That's like having a Chihuahua with the spikes on it. So I can't have that on mine. Shit, 2012. 2011. He been painted since 2013. Yeah. We're gonna do it again real soon. Man, I can see everything on this motherfucker. I got a buzz right there, dent right there, door ding right there. Scratch right there. My daddy did that. I remember that with the lawnmower. Huh? Oh, he was pushing the lawnmower in the under the garage and handle caught the car. Huh? That bitch right. That bitch hitting way harder. Now I need yeah, I need to up my battery. I got two more back there.
Audio
I got 2 back there. Now I need both or two bigger ones. Just 2 big ones.
What size amp you put on?
2 2500s.
Damn. Shit, that's 5,000. That's a lot.
Oh.
Yellow top ain't nothing but 5,000.
Nah, ain't them audio batteries. I don't use them yellow top batteries for the audio shit. That's great audio batteries.
Yeah.
Them bitches like. I got some good. Yeah, I got some good ones. You do. How you know, man? It don't matter. I just need to watch what they is. Look at the hours on them. That's what I just said. I ain't never seen them do. I just pointed the same thing out. You can see it. I guess you can't see it when it ain't in the sun. I guess I don't know. It bitch hide them. It hide them flowers good now. It'll hold up if you keep it out the sun. When I moved to Atlanta, I left it in the backyard one summer. It did all that. One summer did all that. Yep, at my girl dad's house. One summer, Jack. That's all it took. That bitch went to doing all that. Today with the side tooth missing on the box. Yeah, we missing side tooth. Nah, we ain't even tripping. It's on the way though, believe that. Yes, sir. We're gonna paint the city a little bit. Just like the old days. Me and little bear. Hey, bear, yo, keep Hey, so after a night on the town, I got two side tooth missing. The box finally gave out on me, y'all. It's running hot, leaking water, man. I would show y'all, but man, it's over with for the box, man. It's time to put the new engine in it. And that's that. I'll keep y'all updated.